Hey there, is your FreshBooks plan no longer the right fit for your growing business? Upgrading or downgrading your plan is straightforward and gives you the features you need without overpaying. Welcome back to Guide with Samuel. Here's the simple way to change it. Click on your account name or profile icon and go to Account Settings, then Subscription, or Plan and Billing. Here you'll see your current plan and other available tiers. Select the new plan you want. If upgrading, new features are available immediately. If downgrading, the change usually takes effect at the start of your next billing cycle. My crucial pro tip: review your client count and feature usage before switching. Downgrading may limit the number of billable clients you can have. Upgrading might add features like double entry accounting reports. Make sure the new plan aligns with your actual business needs to avoid surprises. Just like that, you can align your software costs with your business stage. What feature would make you upgrade your accounting plan? Project tracking, more clients, or team members? Share below. For more smart business software guides, subscribe. Thanks for watching. I'm Samuel, and I'll see you next time.